Starting at number 10, we have Google Cloud's Introduction to Generative AI Learning Path. This course focuses on the newest trend in AI, generative AI. It's perfect for those who want to stay ahead of the curve. Next, at number 9, we have AWS's Generative AI Developer Kit. This course, offered by one of the biggest names in tech, offers a comprehensive developer kit for those interested in generative AI. Coming in at number 8 is IBM's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Offered by a pioneer in the tech industry, this course is great for those who want a solid foundation in AI. At lucky number 7, we have DataCamp's Understanding Artificial Intelligence. This course breaks down complex AI concepts into digestible bits, making it perfect for beginners. Halfway through, at number 6, we have the Online Professional Certificate from Harvard. This course not only teaches AI, but also provides a prestigious certificate upon completion. Coming in at number 5 is the AI and Machine Learning Certification course from MIT. This course is for those who want an in-depth understanding of AI and machine learning. At number 4, we have Andrew Ng's AI for Everyone on Coursera. This course is designed for everyone and anyone interested in AI, making AI accessible to all. Breaking into the top 3, we have the AI Foundations for Everyone course from IBM. This course provides a solid foundation for anyone interested in AI. At number 2, we have Stanford University's Machine Learning course on Coursera. Taught by Andrew Ng, this course has been a favorite among AI enthusiasts for years. And finally, at number 1, we have the Deep Learning Specialization course from deeplearning.ai on Coursera. This course, also taught by Andrew Ng, provides a deep dive into deep learning, one of the most exciting areas of AI. And there you have it, the top 10 AI courses in 2024. Each course is unique in its own way, catering to different skill levels and career goals. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI today. Before we close, take a moment to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone who might be interested in learning AI. Remember, the future is AI, and the future is now.